Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to enable double tap on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, some users enjoy the ability to customize their device gestures and actions. And enabling double clicking allows them to assign specific functions based on their preferences and needs. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. Okay, so now scroll down please till you find special function and tap on the option. Well, next you have to scroll down and then select actions and gestures. So here you will find many tools and you can enable this feature by activating tapping wake option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable double tap on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.